preserved authentic landscapes, folklore and cultural historical monuments make Zasavica a unique touristic complex, which is located only 15 kilometers from Sremska Mitrovica in Serbia. The picturesque mosaic of forests, meadows, riverbanks and the river itself, the abundance of plants and animals, and many other things offer visitors a rare, attractive and unique experience throughout the year. Sports fishermen will find specially designed locations where, with a little luck, they can catch carp, pike or even a golden carp. The visitor center is the main tourist site at the reserve. The wooden construction was built with an 18-meter high tower that overlooks a 300 acres meadow and the widest and most beautiful part of the Zasavica stream. One of the biggest attractions of this nature reserve is the area intended for animals, such as Podolian cattle, donkeys, and a special type of pig called mangulica, whose meat is used to produce delicious bacon and sausages. Donkeys are especially popular here because they provide high-quality milk, from which an exclusive and very expensive cheese is made, as well as face milk and soaps. For photo safari enthusiasts and nature lovers, the boat trip is a true pleasure. Driving in an electric vehicle throughout the reserve will leave you breathless when you come across a herd of wild horses galloping across the plain.